Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade your home network to full 1 gigabit per second speeds? This plug-and-play Ethernet switch delivers exactly that, no software installation or complicated setup required. Just connect and enjoy seamless, high-speed wired connections without any extra fuss. I recently upgraded my internet to 1 gigabit per second but hit a snag. My Wi-Fi card capped out around 350 megabits per second. The only available Ethernet drop was in the next room, connected to another device. By turning that drop into a backhaul with this switch, I now feed 2 devices effortlessly and reach the full gigabit speed on my PC. The switch supports both desktop and wall mounting, fitting smoothly into any space. Its energy-efficient design complies with IEEE 802. 3 as standards, keeping power consumption low. Plus, it runs silently, which is a real bonus if you're sensitive to noise or working in quiet environments. One standout feature is jumbo frame support up to 9,720 bytes, which helps optimize network performance for demanding tasks. The device also stays cool and doesn't draw much power, so it won't add heat or noise to your setup. During initial power-up, I noticed a brief high-pitched sound when no devices were connected, but that disappeared once the switch was running with active connections. Since then, it's been smooth sailing with 0 issues or interruptions. Backed by an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, this switch offers peace of mind alongside reliable performance. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting to upgrade their wired network without complicated installs or bulky equipment. If you want stable gigabit speeds and a simple, quiet solution for your home or office, this Ethernet switch is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience a faster, more reliable connection that just works.